The Dynamic Mixer's E001 commercial manual salad spinner is a must-have for any establishment serving salads, as it can comfortably accommodate up to 4 heads of lettuce with its 2.5-gallon capacity. This manual salad spinner ensures that your greens are dry, allowing salad dressings to stick to the leaves without dilution, which is crucial for maintaining the freshness and taste of your salads. Constructed from the most durable plastic available, the E001 salad spinner is both lightweight and robust, ensuring smooth operation and longevity. The spinner is easy to use. Simply place the washed lettuce in the spinner and turn the handle to create the centrifugal force that separates the water from the lettuce. This salad spinner is HACCP compliant and ETL certified for sanitation, conforming to NSF standards, making it a reliable and safe choice for your kitchen. The product is also easy to clean and maintain, adding to its appeal for busy restaurant environments.